I'm Pecker Dunn, and I play the fiddle a bit. The banjo is my instrument, but I'm going to play a tune called the Golden Eagle, hornpipe, and the fiddle. It's a hornpipe I like to play. The man that taught it to me is dead and gone.
Brilliant. That's perfect.
Well,
Thanks a lot. No, that's great now.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're
Nice
more-
and all in there.